everyone, it's Happymailqueen. So I have another haul for you guys, and I found some fun items on Amazon. This one here is a sticker. This is a repurchase, but I wanted to get another one. I love these because they have the rainbows on them. They have a bunch of rainbows. Is why I love this sticker pack. And this is from the She's Magic collection, and they're puffy stickers. And I gifted mine, or I'm gifting the other one, so that's why I wanted to get another one. And then I never did pick this up. This is the Polaroid frames. And yeah, I saw it there and it was a good price, so I went ahead and grabbed it. So I can't wait to play with that because I'm loving playing with Polaroids. And ever since I saw Paper Milkshake, she loves using Polaroids on her projects, and someone had sent her this one, the all heart frames, and I was thinking about it if I had it, and I don't think I have it because I have this collection. So when I saw it on Amazon and it was a good price, I went ahead and got it, and you get 10 Polaroids, so that is a great deal. And I'm pretty sure I don't have it, and so sometimes I just don't want to make my own Polaroid, you know. It's nice to just have it ready. And then this is an Etsy, some fun finds on Etsy, and this is a shop on Etsy that I recently discovered, and I saw she had some sequins mix, and you know, they were pretty inexpensive. So look how pretty these are. I saw these really light pastel pink stars, and they're matte, and I love it. And then this one is really sparkly, you guys. Look how pretty this is. I have to give you a close-up because I just think it's such a pretty pale pink mix. And then you have some fun more bright colors here, but still pastel. And I think one of these is a, what do you call it, a Easter mix, but oh my gosh, some of them are just like teeny tiny. And then these hearts right here, oh my gosh, they're so cute, and they come in different colors. And this is the vendor here, so she even gave me a gift, you guys. Isn't that sweet? I love when vendors give you a little something, but she gave me a lot. And look how cute. I have one of these, and I just recently used it on a project. Thank you so much. I love these. I think I need to find some more of these because I really love that little wand. And then look at these pretty yellow sequins. I don't know if I have anything like that, and they're teeny tiny. And then look, you guys, I was just thinking of getting some of these because I saw somebody, I don't remember who it was, but I realized I don't have any little flamingo sequins, and look, she gave it to me for free. How sweet. So thank you so much. Here, this is the designer. Her name is Susan, so check out this store, you guys. But how sweet. Thank you so very much. And she even gave me little pom-poms. How cute. Oh, I love it. So I definitely would check out this store. She has some cute items. And thanks for watching my haul, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you guys. And I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Have a great day.